Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make truffle oil. Use high-quality neutral oil and either fresh truffles or preserved truffle slices to extract aroma efficiently. Clean and dry truffles thoroughly before use to avoid water spoiling the oil. Keep tools and jars sterile and use small batches to preserve intensity. Store oil in a cool, dark place and use within a month for best aroma and safety. Gather your ingredients and tools before you begin so the process is smooth and safe. Measure oil and truffle carefully, slice truffles thinly to maximize surface contact, and warm oil gently if using an infusion method. Use sanitized jars and strainers to prevent contamination. Label jars with date made and contents. Working with small quantities keeps flavor potent and reduces waste while ensuring better control of aroma extraction. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep by your station, leak-proof and easy to sip from while you prep truffles and oil, and it makes a cute gift for food friends. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose the infusion method that fits your time and flavor goals, and always prioritize gentle heat and cleanliness. Cold infusion keeps fresh aroma subtle and pure over several days, while warm infusion speeds results in a few hours but can change notes. Rapid methods work in a pinch but risk muted aroma if overheated. Strain and taste frequently, and remember less can be more when finishing dishes with truffle oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.